ni Bess, ni Press AM, first time. Smile lang ako, okay. Nice to meet you, bye-bye. Pag-alis namin ni Lexi sa restaurant, sabi ko sa kanya, never. And walk away. Kasi ang network marketing, ang stigma dati, di ba, sobrang nega. Pera-pera lang yan. Ang yumayaman lang dyan, yung mga may-ari. Tama, hindi? Kumbaga, cellphone user-friendly. Tapos, madalas scam pa. Pagdating sa pang-ilang level, wala. Nagsasara yung kumpanya kasi wala na pang payout. So, matagal ako nagdasal. Matagal kaming nagligawan. And alam nyo, it is really through faith, through God, na talagang pinakita niya sa akin, inopen niya yung heart ko sa heart nila Bess AM and Ana. Kasi, naging magkaibigan kami. Nakita ko kung anong klaseng tao sila. Hindi po yan madaling gawin para sa akin. I don't have many friends. And family isn't always friends. Alam nyo yan. So pag sinabi mong, I have a big family, that doesn't mean you have plenty of friends. Ang sa akin, ang friend, ibig sabihin, I will do anything for you anytime until I die. That is what a friend is to me. Isa yan sa mga words na napaka-loose ginagamit ng tao. Diba? Ay, friends kami yan eh. Friends kami nun eh. Best friend ko yan. Talaga nga. Siguro, dapat tignan nyo si Jesus. Ilan ba ang best friend ni Jesus? Sa dinami-daming tao sa mundo. Maraming friend na nag-claim friend niya si Jesus. Pero si Jesus, ilan lang ang friends. Diba? So be careful who you surround yourselves with. Again, that is wisdom. You must choose wisely who your friends are. Because all it takes is one rotten friend to bring you down. But when you surround yourself with positive people, ang mission nyo, iba. Hindi about chismis, hindi about ano yung mga nega na naririnig mo at kinikwento mo sa kanila, kung hindi how to uplift each other, how to make each other better. Do you know that when I was a little girl, one of the things my lola taught me, she said, darling, as you get older, you will realize that you will have fewer and fewer friends. In your teens, you have so many friends. You can't even name them all. Sa dami. In your 20s and in your 30s, they will become less. Because now your focus will be your family. Diba? Ang nangyayari niyan, ang mga nagiging friends nyo, mutual friends. Friends ng husband ko, friends na may mga anak din. Those will become your friends. But as you get older, here I go again, at 55, malalaki na yung mga anak ko. Ang friends ko na lang ngayon, matatawa kayo. Siguro, best friends, 5 lang sa buong mundo. in the whole world. Acquaintances, ang dami. Friends, siguro nasa 20, yung talagang friends na sasabihin kong pag nagpa-party ako bukas, close ko, i-invite ko sa bahay, mga 20. Pero best friends, no more than 5. You will be known for the friends that you choose. Kung rotten ang friend mo, ang ibig sabihin nun, rotten ka din. Kung mabait at wise, wisdom ang friend mo. And in your case, yayamanin ang friends nyo. Anong nangyayari? Nahahawa kayo, di ba? Because it is your circle that influences you. And this is the first lesson I keep teaching my kids. Be careful in choosing your friends, for your friends influence who you become.